Hello again everyone. Truth be told, this little intro-y thing is done after the event, so it's more of an intro-outro. It's just to say that it's been a while since I've done this, so it's still taking me a little minute to get back used to recording myself when I'm going out taking the pictures and doing, like, showing me setups and things. So it's kind of like a bear with me thing, because I'm not sure how great it was all the time. I can only hope it gets better. So I'll give you the proper intro in a sec, but this was just to say bear with me. I need to get back into the swing of it, so see you in a minute. Hello everyone, and we are back again. It's been a while since I've put a video out, quite a while really, to be honest, or at least a full video rather than a short. It's the new year. We're in the year 2026, so I'm going to try and get back out and take some photos, make some videos. Today we've come to a local nature reserve called Mere Sands Woods. What I'm just going to do is go for a walk around and see what pictures that I can get, what images are around. I haven't been here for a while, so I believe they've done some new work. There's like a little cafe been opened and things, so we'll go for a walk and see what wildlife, what nature, what there is that I can take pictures of. So you'll see me back in a moment or so when I've been for a walk and got some pictures. See you in a minute.
Hey everyone, so I'm just perched up, I'm sat on my backside. I've probably been here now over half an hour, or I've probably only walked 20 yards, and I've ended up sitting on the floor, and there's just a little stump here that's got some little bits of feed on, and there's been a couple of like blackbirds, robins, nuthatches that are all flying onto it and feeding and then shooting off. If I can't flip the camera around at the moment, but I'll put some of the images on in a moment. I've just got to keep my eye out because they appear and disappear at a rapid speed. But yeah, I'll see if I can point the camera around in the right direction and see where I can film for you. So catch you in a sec. Right, there we go everyone. So this is just the stump I was talking about. Oh, there we go, see? So the birds keep just landing on it, grabbing a little bit of food or something, and then flying off. And I've been quite lucky, I've seen a few. I think I've got some images, but obviously we'll only know later on, but I'm hopeful. But, I just thought I'd let you see what I'm shooting, if I can come out. I'm quite close there. That's the back of my camera. So I'll let you go, and if I get any images, I'll put them up for you now. Missed that one.
Right, so I'm back again. I haven't really moved far, but it turns out I've been here over an hour now, not half an hour. We've only walked a little bit, but I've taken a pew down again, as you can probably see. Still getting used to this camera. But there's just another, not quite a stump, a broken branch, broken log that again someone to put feed on. So I've seen a robin coming in and out of the bush. So let's see if I can get a couple of pictures of it. This is so that's the little setup I've got now. It's nothing fantastic really, but it's just out of that bush there, that ground brush is where it's been coming out of. So we'll see what pictures we can get. As I said, it's very similar to what I'm trying to get on the camera. So wish me luck. You'll see them in a moment if I get any. God, well, it's a cold one today. I've not long just left a hide around the lake that I was in for probably about 10-15 minutes. Took a few different pictures in there. There was I believe it was a cormorant that was kind of perched on a log. So I've managed to get a few pictures of that. Unfortunately, it's quite far away, so I've had to zoom in. Well, using a prime, I'm going to have to crop in more than zoom in. I'm going to have to crop in to see how close I can get to it. But it was just a nice enough straight photo of the bird. So I'll post it after this little bit of waffle. But I don't know how great it'll be. Like I say, I'm going to have to crop in a fair bit, so it could be pixelated now. But anyway, here it is. Just a quick one to say, I've just stopped really, jumped on to say that I've just taken a couple of pictures of the moon because it looks quite nice. So I'll flip this over and then carry on. So obviously that's just on my phone, it looks tiny, but I don't know, the moon, I can't even really zoom in because I've got gloves on, but it looks quite nice today. So see what I've got with my camera, I'll try to frame it and things like that. If it looks any good again, it'll come on just now. See you in a sec. So that's me me trip at me Sands over now. On my way back home, I did get, I think, a couple of photos. Obviously, we all know that you only ever know if they're any good once you've looked at them at home. You can have many a good photo, or many a photo look good on the back of a small camera screen, but once you get home and view them on something much bigger, you change your mind. So anyway, yeah, I managed to get a couple of pictures, I think. There was a few pictures that I just took and I didn't do like a little recording on, so you'll see them as well, but I am hopeful that they come out okay. As I said, I hope to try and get out a bit more now and get some new footage, some new pictures, and try and get going again. I went back into running, so the frequency of me going out taking pictures dropped, basically because running took over. I ran a marathon, which is like a solid 4 or 5 months of a commitment, and then I continued with running, hit and miss. Whilst I do have another event coming up, I'm going to try and get back onto this. Me and my partner enjoy a good walk, and she's very patient watching me whilst I'm stopping randomly for 10, 15, 20 minutes to take some photos. So yeah, hopefully expect some more frequent content from me and some more photos, and there we go. So hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all the next time I post. Bye.